If Lucidchart is showing error 49, that usually means you've hit a rate limit, which is basically Lucidchart telling you to slow down for a moment. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest ways to fix it so you can get back to your diagram without guessing, refreshing endlessly, or making the problem worse. And if this tutorial helps, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes like this. First, stop any automated activity that may be syncing with Lucidchart. If you have a workflow, integration, bot, or any background tool actively making requests, pause it right away. If you just started a large import, export, or sync, give it time to finish before trying again. Also avoid repeating the same action over and over in a short period, because that can trigger the error even faster. A simple wait of a few minutes is often enough to clear a temporary limit, so try that first before making any bigger changes. Next, troubleshoot your browser extensions. Open an Incognito or private browsing window and sign in to Lucidchart there. If the error disappears, that's a strong sign one of your extensions is causing the issue. Now go to your browser's extensions page and start disabling extensions one at a time. Focus first on ad blockers, auto refresh tools, translation extensions, script blockers, and privacy tools because these are the most likely to interfere with Lucidchart. After each one, refresh Lucidchart and check whether the error is gone. This step helps you find the exact extension causing the problem instead of disabling everything at once. If you still see the error, the next step is clearing your browser cache and cookies. Open your browser settings, go to the privacy and security section, and choose clear browsing data. Make sure you select cookies and other site data, plus cached images and files. For the time range, use last 7 days if the issue is recent, or choose all time if you want a deeper reset. Then click Clear Data, restart your browser, sign back into Lucidchart, and test it again. This often fixes stale sessions or overloaded browser data that can contribute to the error 429 message. Now, let's check your network or VPN. If you're using a VPN, disconnect it and refresh Lucidchart. Sometimes shared IP addresses or privacy routing can make rate limiting worse. If the problem is still there, switch to a different network, such as a mobile hotspot or another Wi-Fi connection, and check again. This helps determine whether the issue is coming from your current network rather than Lucidchart itself. If none of that works, the simplest fix may just be waiting for the rate limit to reset. Close the Lucidchart tab or document, wait 5 to 15 minutes, then sign back in and continue working more slowly. Once you return, avoid rapid repeated clicks, constant refreshes, or multiple quick actions in a row because that can trigger the limit again. So to recap, stop automation, test in Incognito, disable suspicious extensions, clear your cache and cookies, check your VPN or network, and then wait for the rate limit to reset if needed. Those steps solve most Lucidchart error 429 issues quickly and safely. If this video helped, make sure to like it, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy fix.